be going over these extra review problems. I'm going to change the problems a little bit to parallel what you're going to see on the test a little bit more. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this I to the negative 5 for number 1. I can actually change it to I to the negative 6. Okay, so change that to I to the negative 6. The only thing you need to really know is negative exponent just sends your whole exponent into the denominator, and it makes your exponent positive. So I have 1 over 6. I change that to 1 over. I need to simplify I to the 6. I know I squared is equal to negative 1, so change that to I squared. And then I take 6 divided by 2. That's going to give me 3. Okay, remember 2 times 3 will give me the 6 i's here. So this is going to be 1 over negative 1 to the 3rd power. I know negative 1 to the 3rd power, you put in your calculator, or something you know already, is 1 over negative 1. 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. Okay? I do the same thing for 2. Okay? This is going to be 1 over I to the positive 8. Okay? So all you have to do is just set the denominator and make it positive. So this is going to be I squared to the 4th is equal to 1 over negative 1 to the 4th. 4 came from, I divided 8 by 2. And so this is going to be 1 over 1, which is just 1. Number 3, the only thing you have to remember is you have a negative on the outside, it has a number next to it, you put a negative 1 there. So that's going to be true also for 4. So I rewrite this. It's going to be negative 1 times, and I to the 24th, I rewrite that as I squared to the 12th. This is negative 1. Okay, I change my I squared into negative 1 to the 12th. Okay, so I just rewrote that I squared as negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 to the 12th is going to be positive 1, so the whole thing is negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. This one I do something similar. I keep my negative 1 on the outside. I rewrite this. I squared 67 divided by 2 is 33.5. So I know this is going to be 33, and that's going to be, so 33 times 2 is 66. And then I need another I out here that's going to give me 67. Okay, the same thing I always do. I replace my I squared with negative 1. Okay. So negative 1 times negative 1 times I, which is positive 1 times I, or just plain I. Okay. These ones down here, this is from the beginning of the year. So I know that we've done with the negative 1s. I think 1 and 2 is a little bit newer, but I just want to make sure you're able to do that for the test. So this is going to be 5 squared and I squared, because the 2 goes to the 5 and the I. The 3 goes to the 3 and the I. Okay? You can only do this if this is multiplication. So this is going to be 3 cubed and I cubed. 5 squared is 25. And 3 squared is 9. Or 3 squared, 3 cubed is 27. Okay, so I times 3 cubed times I cubed. So that's going to be 27. I have an I squared here and I cubed here, so I have a total of 5 i's. Okay. 25 times 27 is 675. Okay. My I to the 5th, well, I can rewrite that as I squared, so I have 4 i's here, and then I have an extra I on the outside. Okay, so 675, that's going to be negative 1 squared times I. 675, negative 1 squared is 1 times I, so this is going to be 675 I. That's my final answer. Something very similar here. This is 7i times 2 to the 4th times I to the 4th. I put my numbers together. 7 times 16 times I to the 5th. I have that right there. 7 times 16 is 112. I rewrite my I squared. My I to the 5th is I squared times I. 112 negative 1 squared times I, 112 times positive 1 times I, so it's going to be 112 I. Okay. The last part, I know this is super confusing for some of you in class, and I can't blame you. I am going to modify this problem because it might be a little too hard, so I apologize for that. So the first thing I want to do is I actually want you to scratch out that 2. We're going to ignore that 2 right here, and then down here we're going to make this into a plus. Okay, so what we need to find is what real number, and then if I combine my real numbers, I get negative 10. If I combine my imaginary numbers, I get 12. First thing I want to do, okay, is I'm going to rewrite this. So I have my real number here plus 3i. Now I have a negative outside parentheses. Anytime I have a negative outside parentheses, I distribute a negative 1. So this is going to be negative 14 plus some imaginary number is equal to negative 10 plus 12i. So what I want you guys to see is we're trying to figure out this number and this number here. I know that they have to be equal to negative 10 when I combine them. So I'm going to set this aside and just kind of do a little problem here. So I'm going to call this one x. I'm going to say x, okay, which is my real number, minus 14. I know that that has to be equal to negative 10. So if you can do that in your head, so you can see that that's a 4. But you can actually just solve this like an algebra problem. So I add 14 to each side. And so I have x is equal to 4. So my number here had to be 4. I do something similar with the imaginaries. I know if I take this imaginary and the one that I don't know, I get 12. So I have 3i plus some imaginary I don't know, I'll call it y, I guess, is equal to 12i. Okay? So what can I add to 3 to get 12? So if you already know it's going to be 9. If you have trouble with that, you can also get rid of this 3i by subtraction. And so you have y is equal to 9i. So that's the one that goes right there. Okay. So let's try this again with the bottom problem. Okay. So something very similar. I write my 3i plus 7. I remember I rewrote this as a plus, some imaginary number. Now I have a negative in parentheses, so I distribute my negative. So this is going to be minus 1 times whatever my real number is, minus 8i is equal to 13 plus 6i. Something very similar that I did with the previous problem. I look at my plain old numbers. I have 7, and I have this negative 1, and I know that they're going to add to be 13. So I know that 7 minus 1 times whatever my number is equal to 13. And we can put a little x here to kind of replace that. So if you want to put a little x here, so you can solve it. So if you can see that that's going to be a negative 6, but we'll go through and solve. This is negative 1x is equal to positive 6. I divide by negative 1. X is equal to negative 6. So negative 6 will go here. Okay, we do the same thing for the imaginary. So I notice I have 3i here. Okay, I have a plus I here, and I have a negative 8i here. So I put that all together. I have 3i and minus 8i. I have a plus. I don't know what number this is right here, but I know that if I add them all together, I get 6i. So 3 minus 8i is going to be negative 5i. And if you want to put a variable, I'm going to put y there. Is equal to 6i. Some of you know what you can put. It would be 11i. But if you don't, you can always solve this like an algebra problem. Some of you can kind of figure it out on your own. And so this is going to be 11i. come in on the day of the test, make sure you ask questions.